Many university students often hear the terms GPA and CGPA, but many of them are still confused about what these terms actually mean and how they are calculated. To understand them properly, we first need to understand one basic idea: the grade point. A grade point is simply the number that represents your grade in a subject. For example, if you get an A grade, it may be equal to 4 grade points. If you get a B, it may be 3 grade points, and if you get C, it may be 2 grade points. However, it is important to remember that every university has its own marking criteria and grading system, so that the grade points may vary from one institution to another. Universities convert your grades into these numbers so that your overall academic performance can be calculated easily. When calculated GPA, there is an important step before the final calculation. First, we calculate something called quality points. Quality points are calculated by multiplying the credit hours of a subject by the grade point obtained in that subject. Right? We multiply the credit hours and the grade points, either it's 4 or 2 or 3, depending on the criteria of the university. For example, if a course has 3 credit hours and you receive a grade point of 4, the quality points for that course will be 3 multiplied 4 equals 12 quality points. And we repeat this process for all subjects and then add all the quality points together. After calculating the total quality points, we divide them by total credit hours of the semester. So the formula for GPA becomes the total quality points divided by total credit hours. This GPA represents your academic performance in one semester. And GPA stands for grade point average. Now let's move to the CGPA, which stands for cumulative grade point average. CGPA shows your overall academic performance throughout your entire degree program. Many students think that CGPA is calculated simply by adding all the GPAs and dividing them by the number of semesters. While this method may give a rough estimate, the more accurate method is to calculate CGPA by using the total quality points of all semesters divided by the total credit hours of all semester. So in simple words, grades become grade points. Grade points create quality points from GPA, and GPA across semesters forms your CGPA. For more simple academic explanations, stay connected with SOLO, School of Learning Organization.